hailstorms caused damage in the Tarn on Saturday, August 24, 2024, especially in the Gaillac sector, which was the worst hit by the hailstorm. A violent storm hit the Tarn on Saturday, August 24, 2024. Like Haute-Garonne, the Tarn department has been placed on orange alert by Météo France. If Toulouse was completely spared from the storm activity, several towns and villages in the Tarn were affected by heavy rainfall. Especially on the Gaillac side, where a large hailstorm occurred, as the dedicated page Tarn Météo shows. The hailstorm was very active in the Gaillacois sector, as in Brens, which experienced a real hailstorm. In addition to material damage to cars or roofs, it is feared that vineyards were also damaged by the violent storm, which is currently moving south. Heavy rains, and especially between Polorens, Castres, and Black Mountain, further explains on the Tarn Météo page, referring to mudslides and floods. This stormy episode generated between 50 and 60 reports, the Tarn Fire and Rescue Operations Center explained to Actu Toulouse.
Trois là-bas, lui s'est cassé en deux, et là dans l'eau, truc de fou.
Most importantly, these are classic reports, such as trees falling on highways and public roads, roof coverings, securing power lines, flooding in basements and buildings. No casualties were reported. On the Meuse, the winds were very strong. The night record was broken in Carouvre, with a gust of 149 km/h. The town of Rouvres-en-Woevre, also on the Meuse, recorded a gust of 102 km/h. As a result of a sad night full of storms, from the northeast to the southwest, a powerful storm killed one person in the Moselle in a car accident caused by a falling tree.